You are welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy that you can use to make money with Digistore24 as a complete beginner without a website, without any skills, without any experience. This is very simple, and the good news is that I'm going to show a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offers that I'm about to show you, so that you can be making money from home without investing any money. So if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Make sure you kindly watch till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this strategy. Before I start showing you the strategy, I want to answer this question that most of you asked in the last video. Some of you were asking about the meaning of earning per clicks. To get the earning per clicks, you have to divide the total earning by the number of clicks that you get, so that you can then get the earning per click. So the earning per click simply means the total number of sales divided by the total number of clicks that you get. So that is how we get the earning per clicks. So now your question has been answered. The next thing is that I'm going to show you the product so that you can promote and make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. Right now I am on my dashboard. So what we have to do is that we have to go to the marketplace so that you can find different products to promote on this platform. So just come to the marketplace, click on that. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So as I scroll, you can see many products that you can promote on this platform. As you can see, a whole lot of them, different products that you can promote on this platform to make money from home. You can see that most of the products, if you get a sale, you are going to earn 85% commission. When you can see in terms of money, you are going to be earning $156.41. So when you scroll down, you can see many other products that you can earn higher commission if you promote and get a sale. You can see this one right here, the commission rate is 85%. You can see another one here, 50%, and you can see that the amount that you are going to earn is $212.88. So these are good products that you can promote on this platform to make money. If you want to promote products based on a specific category, what you need to do is that you have to come to this section. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. So if you have a blog and you want to promote products in that blog, you can just select any of these categories based on the niche that you write about. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to promote this product right here, Meticore. This is a great product that you can promote because the commission rate is high. So what you need to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can promote this product to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. So now I'm going to show you a traffic source that is completely free to use, and it is very effective. So make sure you keep on watching so that I will show you all the details that you need to know about the website. So we are going to be using this website today, aminoapps.com. This is a social media network that works like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can equally share your content here just like Facebook and other social media platforms. But this particular website, the design is different. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. But it gets a lot of traffic per every month. When you come to similar web, you can see that it gets up to 22.3 million visits last month. You can see in May it got up to 23.8 million visits. So this is a great website that you can use to promote your products. As I scroll down, you can see the top countries where the traffic is coming from. You can see the first one is the United States, the second one is Brazil, Russia, Mexico, Peru, and the rest. So this is a great traffic source that you can use to promote your product. The traffic is diverse, so it's one of the quality traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can begin using this particular platform. If you want to be promoting the products on your phone, you can just click on download app so that you can download the app onto your phone so that you can be using it to make money with Digistore24. But I'm using the web base, as you can see it here. If you are using a computer, you can also use the web base. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sign into my accounts. If you don't have one, just click on get app so that you can sign up for your accounts. So just click on the sign in. So let me sign in for you to see. Once you create an account and sign in, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see, these are communities that I've joined. On Facebook, we call them groups, but on this platform, they call them communities. So it's just a group of people who share a common interest. So if you share a common interest with people, you are going to form community. So for example, you can see this one is dating. That is what I want. You can see this one is fitness. You can see this one is natural wellness. You can see this one is positive health, Amino, that is positive thinking. You can see this one, mental health. You can see tips and advice. You can see self-care every day. So these are the communities that I've joined. If you want to join different communities, what you have to do is just click on explore this particular area. Once you click on explore, you can see the different communities that you can join. As I said earlier on Facebook we call them groups, but here they are communities. You can see most of these communities have thousands of members. You can see thousands of members. You can see a whole lot of them. So you have to just scroll and then select the category that you want. So as you can see, many of them, you can see animal lovers. You can see the different communities that you can join. If you want guinea pigs, you can join many others. So as I scroll, you can see the different communities that you can join on this platform. And the good news is that you don't need to pay for anything. You can just join a group and you can begin to participate and then promote your products. I have joined several groups, so I'm going to use one of them to demonstrate for you. So I've joined this particular group, Natural Wellness. So I'm going to open this particular community so that I can show you everything that you need to know. Once you join a community and open, you are going to see something like this. So you can see your profile right here. You can see featured posts. If you want to see the latest post, just click on it so that you can see the latest post. As you can see, many posts on this platform. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to create a post onto this platform so that we can promote our product in that post. This community has a lot of members. So if you create your post and then promote your products in your post, you are going to get people who can purchase the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. Let me just click on the group so that I can show you the number of members on this platform. You can see it has over 4,000 members, as you can see it right here. And the good news is that these members, they speak English. So you can see the language has been indicated here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to create the post. To create a post, you don't need to write it yourself. You can just go to Google and then find an article so that you can post it here. So just come to Google, because the community is about natural wellness. Just search for anything related to that. So as you can see right here, I just search for natural remedy for weight loss. So you can search for this. Once you search for that, you can get a lot of articles to copy. So as I scroll, you can see many of these articles. So I'm going to select one of them. You can see this one, 12 home remedies to lose weight naturally. You can see 10 plus easy home remedies to reduce weight and many others. You can see a whole lot of them. So just open one so that you can copy and paste onto the group as your post. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this right here. Once you open the article, you can see how it looks like. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the information on this particular article. You can see a lot of information here. So these are tips that you can share with others on Amino app so that you can promote your product alongside your post. So what you have to do is that you have to just copy the title of the article. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to Amino apps. Once you're here, just click on create post. Once you click on create post, you are going to paste your title right here. So once you paste your title, the next thing is that you are going to copy the body of the article. So just highlight and copy some of the points in the article. So just highlight and copy it. Highlight and copy it up to 4 points or 3. I'm going to stop right here. So you are just going to copy a portion of the article, but it must be relevant. Just copy some relevant part of it so that you can paste it as your post on Amino apps. Once you copy the article, the next thing is that you are going to rephrase it a little bit so that it can be unique. So you are going to use this particular tool, paraphraser.io. So just search for paraphraser.io. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to select article rewriter so that you can rewrite your article. So once you select rewriter, just come right here, original text, and you are going to paste your article. Once you paste your article, what you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then you are going to select I'm not a robot. So once you verify that you are not a robot, the next thing is that just click on rewrite now so that your article can be rewritten. You can see this is the article, it has been rewritten. So now if you look at it, you can see that there are variations right here. You can see everyday people end up, you can see everyday humans emerge as attempting new diets. So the article has been rewritten. Now what we have to do is that we have to copy our paraphrased article and then paste it as our post. So just come here, click right here to copy your article. Once you copy it, you are going to come to Amino apps and then paste your article right here. As you can see, this is your post. You can see everything in your post. So now you can see the points right here. So as you can see the points, just highlight it and then click on this particular button. Once you click on it, make the point bold. As you can see, that has been done. Now the next thing is that you are going to move to the next point. You can see another one right here. Just highlight it. You are going to click on the letter right here, select bold, so that they can see the points. So as you can see, that has been done. So let's come to the next one. Click on the A right here, bold. So we are going to do that for the rest of the points. So let's scroll down. You can see this one right here. Just highlight it and then make it bold. That has been done. So there's another one right here. Let me space it a little bit. So as you can see, just highlight it and then make it bold. I think that has been done. So the next thing is that you can add an image so that your article will look nice. So just create a space right here. Once you create a space, you are going to see this plus sign right here. So if you click on it, you can add a video or an image. So just click on it. You can see you can add an image or a video. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a free stock image so that you can use it as part of our post. So just come to this website, pexels.com. Once you are here, just search for weight loss so that you can find the right image. So just search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you can see many weight loss images that you can download. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select one of them. I'm going to select this one right here. So once you select it, just click on download so that you can download the image onto your PC. Now once you download your image, you are going to come back to your article and right here just click on the plus sign, select add image so that you can upload your image. So once you click on add image, just select your image, select open, and it is going to be added. So as you can see, the image is going to appear right here. As you can see, this is the image and this is the preview of your post. So if you want to check your post, just scroll so that you can see whether it is easy to read or not. So as you can see, this is the post. So now what we are going to do is that we are now going to start inserting our affiliate links into this particular article. If you want, you can write your own call to action, or you can just insert it in any sentence that you want in your article. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to Digistore24. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy your affiliate link, you are going to go back to your post. So once you come back, just highlight any of the words that you want. So I'm going to just highlight this one right here. Once you highlight, you can see add a link. So just click on that. Once you click on that, just paste your link right here. Press enter so that it can be inserted right here. As you can see, the text is now linked to our affiliate link. You can scroll down and add a number of them. So as you can see this one right here, just highlight it, click on add a link, paste your link right here, press enter, and this particular text is linked to your affiliate link. Add a number of them, just scroll down, or you can just type something like get the best weight loss supplement today. You can just add your own call to action like this. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to first of all make it bold, and then you are going to add your affiliate link onto this particular call to action. So just type something like this, press enter. The text is now linked to your affiliate link. So once you have everything done, the next thing is that you are going to publish your post onto the community so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So just come here, click on publish so that you can publish your post. Normally when you click on publish, you are going to get something like this. So just be patient and wait for it to publish your post onto the community. As you can see, it has been published onto the community. You can see one member is online right now. As you scroll, you can see the post. So now if anyone clicks on this particular link, they are going to be directed to the affiliate products, and if they purchase it, you are going to be earning money. You can see this is the affiliate product that you are promoting. As you can see, this is the landing page. So they are going to see something like this. If they like it, they are going to purchase it for you to earn a commission. So what you have to do is that you have to join different communities so that you can promote products on this platform. It is not about the number of followers that you have. The community members are going to read your post, whether you have 0 followers or you have 1,000 followers. It's the community members who are going to read your post, but not your followers. So you don't have to worry about following. Just keep on posting your content onto this platform so that you can get people to purchase your affiliate products for you to earn a commission. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.